Alright guys, let's get ready for the new session by looking at some of these examples. Now let's consider this that is given to us on the board. I have 3R, this angle is given 64, this is 0, this is M. So we have only 64 given, but we don't know this. We know this is 3 times of this, and we don't know what this is, we don't know what this is. But guys, before you can answer this question, you need to understand what vertically opposite angles are. If you have two straight lines that forms an X like this, any angle that is here and an angle that is here, they're like vertically opposite each other. They are facing each other. These two angles are said to be equal. So the same thing with this. Let me put it 2 times. And this. Are you seeing? So this and this are equal. They are called vertically opposite angles. And this are equal. They are also called vertically opposite angle. So let's try and solve this. We have 3R plus M plus R plus 64 plus 0 degrees equals to 360. So you can see what I did. I just added all the angles. Everything is equal to 360. Okay, so if I look at this, I can see two vertically opposite angles. Now if you look at this place, this straight line and this straight line, we have something like this here, where here we have 3R and here we have 0 or O. We have O. What does it mean? It means that 3R and O are vertically opposite each other, and it means that 3R is equal to this angle here called O. Another vertically opposite angle that I can see here is this line and this line, where we have something like this. Okay, so all of this is M, and this one is both R and 64. So what it also means is that R plus 64 is also equal to M. So those are the two things that I can see from this shape. So if I have these two things to be what? Vertically opposite angles. So I can now say that anywhere I see 3R, I can call it O. Anywhere I see O, I can call it 3R. Anywhere I see M, I can call it R plus 64. So I'll say 3R plus M plus R. Okay, I wouldn't call it M again. I will call it R plus 64 plus R plus 64 plus, instead of writing O, I can write 3R again equals to 360. So what I did is I just substituted this 3R for O. So where I had O, I put 3R. Where I had M, I put R plus 64. You can see it. So that here I can just do what? Collect like terms. So the like terms I have here are 3R plus R plus R plus 3R equals to 360. This comes here minus 64 minus 64. Alright, so this is 3R plus R, 4R, 5R, 8R. 8R equals to 360 minus 128. Okay, so 8R is 232, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's see. So divide both sides by 8. So R equals to 2 in 23 is 2. Remainder 7. Then 8 in 72 is 9, if I'm not mistaken as well. So R is 29. That means that 3R is what? 3 times 29, which is what? 87. And O is R plus 64. That means it is what? 29 plus 64. So this is 29 plus 64 will give me 93. So what it means is that, sorry, this is not O, this is M. So what it means is that this M is 93, this 3R is 87, this R is 29. And so if you understood that example I gave, you can try this one and let me see your answers. Tell me your answers in the comments if you solved it.